Hey guys, this is Jeet from forex.insight PW. So today I am back with my another interesting video. And as the content is little lengthy, so don't wasting your time coming to the video. In this video, I will explain you how to read chart, and after reading, you will know how to trade with them for a little points. As it also called scalping. Before you should know that is in scalping, these are the high psychological trades. You will be involved in high risk and low reward trades. So coming to the video, we have to know about what is support and what is resistance. So first, I'm not going to explain here the definition. So in simple terms, when prices is in downtrend like this, and in some area the prices get rejected, okay, so that zone is called support. And vice versa, in prices a prices is moving upside, and in some area the prices gets rejected, so that area will called resistance. You can see in the third scenario that this is resistance, this is support. The prices are coming and moving reverse from support and resistance. Okay, now coming to the chart here, which is made by me. In this chart, you will be find all the things I have included is related to psychological aspects. Because in the beginning, you are not ready to understand liquidity, demand, and supply zones. Once you will understand support, resistance, pullbacks, and all the things related to pullbacks, then I will upload another video to bring you up in the market. Okay, guys. Here you can see that the prices are in downtrend. I have made the chart in downtrend. First of all, you have to know that what is the candle showing, and then you should have to understand what you need to trade. So, the only thing which we need to trade is the liquidity. Liquidity means loss. Okay, looking candlestick, we can find these zones for our trade. Now, I am showing you that all candlestick are forms in three scenario. So first of all, I am showing you that the bullish candle how it is formed. So see, the candlestick is open from here and closes here. So what is the three scenario? So first of all, candles, you can see candle is open from here to here, and second scenario is that candle moves up here to here, and the third and the final scenario, the candle closes here. This is the chart can this is the candle which can be a 15-minute day candle, a 4-hour candle. The all the candle are forms in three scenario. So you can see this candle, where is the sellers enters. You can see the scenario, this is the sellers enters here. So this will our seller zone. Okay, now I'm shifting to bearish candle. So you can see that the this is the bearish candle. Candle opens from here and closes here. So what are the three scenario? Candle opens here. First of all buyers enters. Second of all sellers enter, and third, all buyers again enters here. So this is the final scenario. Open, goes up, goes down, again goes little up and closes. So this is the three scenario. What we have to look here is in downtrend. Have to wait a minute. I am showing that all candles are formed in three scenario. Okay. What we have to look here is in the downtrend, we have to look where the buyers enter. Okay. And in uptrend, where the sellers enter. Okay, guys. So this we have to look. Now, first of all, find the zones where was buyers enters in this chart, because the trend is downtrend. So what we have to look here, we have to look the buyers. Okay, and what zones we have to observe, we have to look those zones where buyers enters, but then sudden sellers are enters to the zone. So we I am zooming in the chart. See, uh, okay. So look there. This is the chart. In this scenario, you can see this prices comes until this point, and before closing, some buyers enters here and pushes price upside. So what is the psychology here? Psychology here, the prices pushes upside. So this is our shadow, because prices pushes upside. So we will mark this shadow here, because the structure is a day structure and every candle is belongs to the day candle. So what we have to look here, we will look here in a lower time frame like 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour candle, that is there any candle which is pushing prices upside. If not, then we will enter for sale. Okay. But you can see this, in this scenario prices again pushes upside. And you should know that the also the low and high of the candles are also the liquidity, and once market taken out the liquidity, you can sell or buy. So in this scenario you can look that the candlestick is in downtrend, all the scenarios downtrend. So what will the scenario if the candle took the high of any candles? Okay, then the market will be in a selling scenario. You can see in this scenario that the candlestick took the high. Once 1 minute, I took a small line here. Yeah, you can see this here. This candle took the high of this candle. So what is this? This is a pullback, and also this candle took the high. So this is the selling scenario. Okay. Now the chart, you can see that candlestick now selling. The what is the psychology here? The psychology is here that the prices pushes downside, break the zone, and market is in downtrend. Okay. So what all people thinks here? All people thinks here that the market is in downtrend, and candlestick broke the support here very impulsively. So all sellers are enters here. All the player, all the trader will be enter here. But because the market also know that the all the player will enter here, so market is manipulating them by see this market, and in another day market goes in upside. Okay, so market is in downtrend. So what I said before, when the prices took the liquidity of previous candles high, market will push downside. So in this scenario, in a lower time frame like 15 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, you can take entry for a downside. Okay, and you can see here that again prices took the high of this candle, so again we can enter to the downside. But this is a consolidation phase from this to this. Okay, so look first, if you do not know how to trade in consolidation, so stay away and look for those opportunities, like when the candle took the pullback high. See this is the downside, and again you can see there is a pullback occurred here to here. Okay, so you have to wait until the market took the pullback. Here you can see that market took out the pullback. Okay, now you can enter to the situation, just because first of all see market took out the pullback, so this shadow is become our selling point. When the prices come to the this shadow, and you will look that the prices are moving downside, so you can enter from this shadow to until the last of this pullback. Okay guys, so this type of psychology you should need to trade in this market. Okay, wait a minute, I am showing something else here. This is the AUD USD chart of 15 minute. As I said, the market is in downtrend. So look, in this scenario there is a pullback created. Okay, like market comes here to here and creates a pullback, and again creates a pullback and goes down. Okay, so the player who knows how to trade, and 1 minute, yeah. So the player know how to trades with candlestick sweep. So market is in downtrend when the candle sweep the previous high. So you can see this in this scenario that this candle sweeps the previous high of this candle, and market pushes downside. Okay, but you are new to the market and you don't know how to trade them. So it is better to wait until the pullback is swiped. So you can see this is a pullback. Okay, and market goes down and market again comes up and sweep this pullback. Now you can enter, as I said in a video, as a candlestick pattern, you can enter until where, from this situation to this, the pullback low. Okay, in every time frame this will happens. If a pullback is swiped, the more chances is to closes below the pullback's low. Okay guys, so coming to the chart I have made. So see here, what is the scenario happening. Yeah, in this scenario all buyers enters. You can see in this scenario the buyer is enters. Okay, I have showing in this scenario that buyers are enter here to here. So people will think here in this previous video. 1 minute, Okay, again guys, you can see that people will think here that the prices will go up just because in the previous candle buyers enters, and in the next candle, I'm talking about this candle, the prices again closes above this candle, market comes down, market swipe. And always focus on one thing: when the prices is in downtrend, moving downside, okay, do not trust the candle which swipes the low of previous candle, because this will be the trap here. So we will look on those candle which swipes the high in downtrend and think market is in uptrend. If market is in uptrend, so we will focus on those candle which swipes the low of previous candle in uptrend. Okay, so we are in the downtrend. Okay, so we will focus on those candle which swipes the high of previous candle. Okay, and when we are trading 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 30 minute charts, okay, so there is a very low points which we can gain. So I am showing you day structure. Okay, what you have to do is coming to the day chart and mark these zones, and once prices took this prices this high, and you are looking like this market is going downside. See here, yeah, see that, look, this will be the high of the previous day candle, and market is coming to this upside. This is the pullback market created in 15-minute, 1 hour, whichever the scenario. And if the market broke this scenario and again created a new sellers, okay, so this will our the demand zone, and this is another pullback. So there will be two scenario. If market swipe this pullback, you can sell, and if market swipe this pullback and coming to any candle and showing the selling interest, you can sell here. Okay, this is the first scenario in downtrend. Okay, another is the market creates a pullback. This is was the high, and market swipe and suddenly shifts down. You can sell the SL here, and target should be the pullback's low. Okay, this is the scenario. Okay, now coming to the video, that what I have said to the newcomers, that the newcomer should have to wait to sweep the pullback high. This will beneficial. And when the market sweep the pullback high, so this unmitigated shadow is become our what resistance. And when prices will come to this zone and showing the interest of the downside, you can mark the pullbacks low. Okay, now I'm showing another some another chart, another video here. Look the sun. Okay, now wait a minute. So think the new traders has entered here until this position. Okay, now from my video, knowing my video and my perspective, you can enter from this to this zone and you gain the profit. Now what will you have to look? See, this is the impulsive downside candles, okay, and broke the low of the previous pullback. Okay, now what people thinks here, people will think here that the market is downtrend and market also closes impulsively, so they suddenly enters in a downtrend and sailors in a selling position. Okay, and when they enter to the selling position, market will go up. Why? Because market wants to split them out. Okay, now we have to look, this is the impulsive. In impulsive shadow, we have to look what, we have to look where the buyers enters. So you can see here some buyers enters. Okay, and look, this prices pushes upside, so here some buyers also enters and here some buyers also enters. Okay, and if you see my previous video, I have told before, what market need is the liquidity. First of all, we have to leave a liquidity for the market. So in this scenario, you can see that you can see this, that in this candle buyers enters and pushes prices downside. Okay, so we have to leave this liquidity for market and the upper zone like this. If we can see any movement shifting downside from these zones, because this is the another pullback in a lower time frame, this is the day time frame candle. So you cannot understand clearly ki why this is the pullback. When you shifting to the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour structure, you can see that this is the very high pullback occurs here. Okay, so seeing this scenario, that the market comes here and showing the interest and moves down here, you can set the SL is in this point, and target is the pullback low here. Okay guys, this. If this scenario is also failed, okay, this can be happen in market, that the market is not wanted to shift down from this. So there is the another so with another supply zone available for us. Okay, see, and there is a another situation where we can sell here, that you can see this, that the market swipe the previous candle low. Okay, see here, yeah, another situation here is the market swipe the previous candle low, so you can again sell here. Okay, now see that market is impulsively closed. Okay, so again, what the traders think, traders will think here कि market can go down impulsively, but in the previous scenario, that the traders enters here and took out losses, so they will wait for the confirmation, and market will give them confirmation like this candle. So market has give confirmation to the trader here. You can see this. Now all the trader enters, and you can see that market again took out their losses by moving upside. Okay, so what will you have to look here again, when the prices is taking, see, prices took again the high of previous day candles and swipe down. And here is the scenario. 1 minute, guys. Okay, you can see here some buyer enters. Okay, you can see, but prices does not come to this zone, so don't worry, price will come to this zone. Okay, and we have to look here. See, prices sweep moved up, prices sweep moved up, but we don't need to trade in upside, because you are a new or beginner, so it will be difficult for you to trade in opposite the flow. Okay, always trade, if you want to profitable, always trade in the flow. Okay, so see that market is pushing little bit upside, and you can see here again the market sweep the previous day high. Okay, so you can again enter here. Okay, here some buyers enters, here some buyers enters. Okay, like this zone. Okay, you can see in this scenario, you see this. We have to took what I said. We have to took a loss. Oh, we have to 1 minute, guys. This scenario, we have to leave a loss for the market. So here some buyers enters, so we will leave this loss for the market. And what, there is the another supply zone here, so we have leave the loss for market and taking the another supply zone, and again prices move downside. Okay, so this is the scenario here. Now prices are impulsive, very impulsive. Okay, you can see that, and all the sellers will enter here, but we don't have to enter here. As I said, if the prices are very impulsive, so don't trade there. The market can be reverse impulsively, because that all traders are entered to the selling position. Then what will market do? Market will shift from here. Okay, market will shift from here. And if you clearly see that this is the consolidation phase, but always look the previous chart. Here you can see that what, market comes to the supply zone, where the previous buyers enters here and goes downside. What I said, the zone where the buyers enter and suddenly sellers comes in, that zones are very important. And see this, market come to this zone, mitigate a while and move downside. And what will our target should be? Target should be the low of the pullback. So this is the low of the pullback. You can trade this to this position. Okay, guys, so here I am showing you how to trade in downtrend, and there is all things. And you can see this in this scenario. I'm coming, zooming into the chart here. Yeah, looking to the chart here. Yeah, in this scenario, market is in downtrend, as I said, and market again sweep the candle here. So again you can enter for a downside move until what, until the pullback slow. And here again the market sweep the candle slow. Okay, here is there anything, any one candle? Now you can see that market shifted a little uptrend. So what we'll have to do in this scenario, market did not sweep any candles. you can see this market sweep the low of previous candle. But in this scenario, market shifted a little down and goes up. This will happen in the market. Don't worry about that. This will happen in a downtrend for a little time. Okay, not for a long time. And 10 out of 7 trade you are will be profitable. So don't worry. Now you can see this. This is a something uptrend if you see. So when the prices sweep what low, then the prices will pushed up. Okay, but overall trend is downside, so I'm not recommend you to do upside trade here. Okay. Now what here is, you can see that here is the some consolidation occur. You can see this zone, some consolidation occurs. Okay, so what is there? There are the sellers. Okay, those sellers who are impatient and does not know what to do, how to trade. So market comes here, took out their losses and suddenly goes down like this. Anybody cannot enter. If you look this supply zone, you did not find any entry zone, which I have told you in the previous time. And see, any entry you cannot find, because that the market is so impulsively goes down, taking out the sellers. And if you wait here for that the market will go more down, so you will get loss, just because market is comes up to take out the losses. So always take limited profit which is fixed, like the pullbacks low, pullbacks high, which will be the target you can see. Okay guys, so that is enough of the day. And so this is the live chart of AUD USD. You can see here also that think market is in downtrend. So you can see in this position market swipe the previous candle high and shifted downside, and again market swipe the previous candle high here and shifted downside, and this is the pullback low. So think you entered here until this position and you are waiting that the market will go more down. So what will happen? The market will come again and sweep your SL. Okay, so don't wait for market will goes down. Always took the position where you can know the market will go until this to this position. This is the pullback low, and here again you can see that market is again going to upside to took out the liquidity of this seller. Here you can see the market give you chance to from this supply to this target. Okay, and market is again going to upside to took the loss, and you can see here that the market is sweep the previous candle and again goes down until this candle's low. Okay, and again some sellers will wait here to goes more down, and what market did, market comes up and sweep the low of this candle. So don't be so greedy, always took the limited profit. This will lead you to more profitable situation. Okay guys, oh, so today I stops here. Until next video, and don't worry about your psychology. This will improve with time. Just what you need to do, try to understand things behind the chart. And I am sharing you the list of upcoming videos are as follows. The first video which for beginner I have made is the candlestick and psychology, which is this. And I will upload the second part of this video, because this is the little thing I have told about the psychology. And the second will be the price action and psychology, and third will be the support and resistance, which is the best thing you should know. And the most important thing is the risk and reward ratio. How should you trade with the risk and reward ratio for the profitable? And fifth one is the trade setup. And sixth one is the trade psychology. What the psychology should you know in that while you are trading? So guys, think if you are tired, think you are if you are stressed, think you if you are angry, and these are the situation while we are trading. So when your mind is in uncomfortable situation like stress, angry, tired, so what are you and how experienced are you will be not profitable. Because in the tired situation and unclear mind situation, you will always took wrong trade. Okay, don't think that I am experienced. And so you can understand, any trader who is tired, who is angry, could not take a good trade. This will not matter for them how experienced he is. He will took wrong trade because he is angry. Okay, guys, even he knows that it is the wrong trade, he will took the wrong trade. Like this thing, this is the supply zone, and you can see prices is pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, but the trader knows that prices will took out the liquidity of this and then we have to sell. But when he is angry, what will have to do, that this is the supply zone, took out the trade, prices is shifting down and will be goes down. Okay, so this will always happen. So if you are angry and tired, don't trade, take relax, and when your mind will be fresh, only then come to the chart and to the market for trading purpose. Okay, guys, that's it for the today. I think you will be happy with my video, and you, if you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share the video, and join our Telegram channel. Okay, link in description. And if you did not watch my pullback video, which is most important for you, so go and watch this video. Until the next video, bye bye, guys. See you, take care, and good profit. Bye.